My dear friends, am I audible?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Akash, good. Thank you. Modi, thank you. Dev Modi, good. Right. Right. Is my screen visible to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. My dear friends, let me introduce first. My name is M.C.P. Saheb. I can teach the subjects C language, C++, data structures, Java, Python, Advanced Java, Advanced Python, and web technologies. I can teach these subjects very well. Now, I have an experience of 22 plus years of experience, teaching experience in different organizations. Right, this class duration is 45 days. Working days. Weekly 5 days working days. Monday to Saturday. Monday to Friday, sorry. Monday to Friday, I will take the class. On Saturday and Sunday, there will not be a class. Right. So, timing is, you know the timing. Actually, 78. It is the time, right? 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. Right. Actually, it is a demo class, but I don't want to waste my time. So, I am directly going into the subject. I am going to explain what is the history of C language. Right. Wait a minute. I am going to set up. Okay, good. Now there are so many programming languages in the world. The programming languages are mainly classified into two types. One is computer understandable, means machine understandable. Second one is human understandable. Right? So the languages, those are directly understood by the machine. Those are called as low-level languages. Machine language, assembly language. Okay. These are low-level languages. The languages, those are directly understood by the human being. Those are called as high-level languages. Okay, there are two messages I can explain. Yes, sir. Sir, is currently any C++ batch? Okay, I can clear your doubts at last. I will ask the question. Okay, if you have any doubt, you can ask me. You can directly ask me. Okay, okay. Don't ask these type of questions while running the class. Okay, thank you. Thank you so much. Right. If you have any doubt related to the topic, what I am teaching, better to ask from that, right? Oh, right. Good. Thank you. Now, there are so many programming languages. Two types. One is machine understandable. Second one is human understandable. Right. Now, we know English very well. We cannot understand the language which was understood by machine. Computer can understand zeros and ones. It cannot understand the language which you can understand, means English. There is a communication gap. Now what to do? For that, a software was developed that is called as compiler. Compiler is nothing but a translator. After inventing the compiler, we need not to learn directly machine language. we can simply write programs by using simple English words. That is called as high-level languages. One of the popular high-level programming language is BCPL. What is that? BCPL. Actually, BCPL stands for Basic Combined Programming Language. Basic Combined Programming Language. It was developed by Martin Richard. Who is the developer of BCPL? Martin Richard. It was developed by Martin Richard. Right. In this team, there is only one more person is there. One person cannot develop a programming language. There may be a team. So in that team, there is one more person. His name is Ken Thompson. Ken Thompson. Right. So there is one more person. His name is Dennis Ritchie. Dennis Ritchie. Dennis. Okay. At the time of developing BCPL, they have only one operating system, that is single user operating system called DOS. DOS is nothing but a single user operating system, DOS. To use the computer resources properly, single user operating system is not enough. So they try to develop a multi-user operating system. Multi-user operating system. Who try to develop? With the combination of these two peoples, Ken Thompson and Dennis Ritchie, with his team, with their team, they are going to develop a multi-user operating system. Why? Because at that time they have only single user operating system. DOS is a operating system just like as Windows, Linux, Unix. Okay, it is a operating system, but it is a single user, means only one person can use this operating system at a time. For that, they want to develop a multi-user operating system so that multiple persons can use the same operating system at same time. To develop this language, BCPL programming language is not supporting, so that these two developed a new programming language that is called B. What is the first letter of BCPL? B. And they named the new language as B. For that, I am teaching BCPL. From BCPL led to B. From BCPL, a language B was developed. Who is the developer of this one? It was developed by Ken Thompson. Ken Thompson. He is the team leader. He is the team member. That's why, okay, Ken Thompson was the developer of the B language. Right, good. But BCPL and B, these two are called as typeless programming languages. BCPL and B are called typeless. What is the meaning of typeless? Typeless programming languages. Means the language which doesn't support data type is called as typeless. These two languages doesn't support data types. You know, in C language, there are some data types: character, integer, float, double. Okay. These two doesn't support data types. So these two are called as typeless programming languages. BCPL. Typeless means, what is the meaning of typeless? Typeless means it doesn't support data types. For what purpose they developed language B? What is their motto? Their motto is to develop a multi-user operating system. After developing B language, by using this language, they successfully developed a multi-user operating system, and it is called as Multics. It is called as Multics. You know, Linux operating system, Unix operating system. So it is the first multi-user operating system, Multics. Okay. After developing B, it was successfully developed a multi-user operating system. Right. So who is the developer of B? Developer of B is Ken Thompson. Ken Thompson is the developer of B language. Right. BCPL and B are typeless programming languages. What is the meaning of typeless? Typeless means It doesn't support data type. Good. After some days, after few days, Dennis Ritchie, okay, hated these two languages. Why? Because these two are typeless programming languages. He wanted to develop a new programming language with the support of data types. He successfully developed and named it as, what is the next letter of BCPL? Second letter? C. B used by Ken Thompson. C used by Dennis Ritchie. So from B led to C language was developed. From B, C language was developed. It was, who is the developer? It was developed by Dennis Ritchie. Dennis Ritchie. Right? In 1972, in the year of 1972, at AT&T Bell Laboratory. Laboratory name is AT&T Bell Laboratory. On a computer that which is having Unix operating system, on Unix machine. Basically, C is a typed programming language. C is a typed. What is the meaning of typed? Typed programming language. Typed means which support data types. Language. Typed programming language means, what is the meaning of this one? It supports data types. It supports data types, right? It is the history of C programming language, right? My dear students, if you have books and pens, please note it down, right? Even it is a original class, it is a demo class, okay? But after 5 demo classes, I will continue from here, okay? My dear friends, after completion of 5 demo classes, I will send this material every day to you, right? I will send this material every day to you. Along with this, you will get the recorded session links also, right? At your free time, you can take revision class also, right? No problem at all. You will get the recorded session links and you will get this material every day. Soft copy, I will send it. After completion of writing, please tell me. Rama, thank you. If you don't have a note at right now, okay, no, don't worry. I will send this material to you after completion of demo classes, right? Demo classes, sir, demo classes repeat हो रही हाँ regular class कब से होगी? Oh, it is regular only. Nakul Patak, regular only. It will be continue. Okay, right? It will be continue from today onwards. How many months it will provide access to the recording videos? Once you get the recording videos, I think you can download it with you. You can keep it you. I don't know that information, Sai ji. Okay. You can better to ask with Durga Software Solutions. Why? Because I am just a presenter. I have this material only with me, right? Recording sessions will be done by Durga software. They will send link every day to you by them only, right? Not by me. Thank you. Thank you so much. Okay, sir. Thank you. Good. Right. Now, can I go to next topic? My dear friends, can I go to next topic?
So just 2 minutes.
Wait. Right. Oh, good. Sandeep, thank you. But he is asking just wait 1 minute. After payment confirmation message nahi aaya, need not to worry about. Once you pay the money, you will have transaction details with you. No, okay, no problem at all. Okay, one need not to worry about the confirmation.
Yes, sir.
Completed? Okay, thank you so much. Right.
Yes.
Now the next topic is a sample C program. How to write a C program in C. Right. So first of all, you have to write a hash include stdio.h. Then we have to write void main round brackets. After that, you have to write the curly bracket. Here you need to write the code. It is called as processing statements. Now, what is the meaning of this? Why we need to write this? In every program, there are 3 parts. One is this one. It is called include statement. What is the name of this? Include statement. It is also called as preprocessor directive. 2 names are there. 2 preprocessor directives or include statement. Both you can call. No problem at all. Right. This is called as main function or main method. It is called as main function or main method. What you are writing inside these 2 curly brackets, that is nothing but actual code. What is that? Code or solution to your program. So that is called as processing statements. In any C program, you need to write these 3. So in any C program, we may have how many types of statements? 3 types of statements we may have. One is include statements. Second one is main method. Third one is processing statements. Now, what is include statement? Include statement. Right. My dear friends, all of you mute your mics, please. If you want to talk to me, then only you have to unmute your mic. Otherwise, it will be disturbed. It is a recorded session. You have to remember that. Right. Please cooperate with me. Right. Now, what is include statement? What is include statement? My dear friends, if you want to do a function at your home, you need some tables, you need some chairs, you need some tents. From where you will bring all these things? From where you will bring a tent? From where you will bring chairs? From where you will bring tables? From a tent house, am I right? From a tent house. Very good. In the same manner, here what is your task? You are going to build an application. You are going to build a program. Program is nothing but application. To build an application, we required so many tools. Those tools are already developed in the computer and keep in header files. It is one of the header file which ends with head H. Here H means header file. It is the name of the header file. Name of the header file. stdio.h is the name of the header file. In that header file, the tools those are required to build an application in C language are available. Before going to use these tools, you have to include this file into your program. You have to include the content of this file into your program. So I am writing this one. Right? Whatever the tools available in this header file, to copy or to include into your program, we have to use this command #include. Right. So actually #include stdio.h, you need to write at the top. That's why it is called as, it is the first statement. It is the first statement in any C program. In any C program. It always beginning with which symbol? Tell me. You already see that. It always begins with the hash symbol. What is the symbol? Hash. Hash symbol. Its name is hash. 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 Right. What is the use of this? It is used to copy the content of header file into your program. It is used to copy the content of header file into your program. If you want to copy the content of header file into your program, you have to use #include command. So it is also called as, it has one more name, no? It is also called as preprocessor. Preprocessor directive. First of all, we should know what is preprocessor. I already told you compiler. What is the meaning of compiler? It is a software which convert the program written in English into machine understandable code. Right. But the line which begins with a hash symbol, it will be executed at the time of compilation. The rest of the code will be executed at the time of running. Your program will be executed in 2 stages. First, you need to compile, then you need to run. 2 steps you have to write. Your program can be run in 2 stages. First stage is you have to compile that program. After compilation, your program will be converted into machine understandable. Then machine can run your program, means your program will be executed. Running or execution, two steps. In the same manner, this line, the line which begins with hash, it will be executed at the time of compilation. Compilation is before the running. So it is called as pre. In 10th class, you have pre-final examination. Before final, you have pre-final. So in the same manner here also, we have pre-execution. That's why it is called as preprocessor. What is the meaning of preprocessor? It will be executed at the time of compilation. So it is called preprocessor. Preprocessor. What is the meaning of directive? Directive means it gives direction to the compiler. It is called, it gives direction to compiler. So it is directive. So it is directive. So this is the speciality of #include stdio.h. Right. Now, why we need to write main method? why we need to write this. Second heading is main method. Right. What is the meaning of main method? It is compulsory. Actually, your program execution begins from here. So it is called as entry point. It is the entry point. Your program will be executed from void main. So it is called as first executable, or it is called as the entry point. It is first executable statement. Main method will be executed first executable statement. It is an entry point of your program. Main method is very important. So it is very important. Important means it is core. Core means very important. Core means it is very important. Now, it is mandatory. Without main method, your program will not be executed. So it is mandatory. It is mandatory. Your program will not be executed without main method. So it is mandatory. It is very important. It is mandatory. So I am writing 2-3 main methods. No. You cannot write. You can write only one main method in any program. So it is unique. It is unique means you cannot be duplicated. It cannot be duplicated. You can write only one time. You cannot write multiple times of main methods. Multiple main methods are not possible in C language. So it is unique. It is not duplicated. Right. Now a main method can be written in 6 models. You can write in 6 models. Means it has 6 models. First model is main. You can write like this, or you can write int main also. It is possible. Void main also you can write, or main of void also you can write, or integer main of void also you can write, or void main of void also you can write. No problem at all. Any one you can use. I am using this one. I am following third model. You can use second model. You can use first model. You can use fourth model. You can use fifth model. Any model you can use. No problem at all. Right. So this is the 6 models of main methods. The next one is the last one, third step, that is called as processing statements. Processing statements. Processing statement is nothing but code. That's it. Code solution. Solution means if there is a problem, for that we need to write the solution. Am I right? Right. So to solve the problem, you need to write the solution. Sir, void main, int main, a situation low, use chester. Okay, I will explain you, Sandeep, I will explain you. The difference between these 6 will be very clear in functions topic. So actually what you are writing is called as arguments. What you are writing is called as return. So, okay, a function can be write in 6 models based on with arguments and with returns models, right? I will explain you later. So no problem at all. Okay, good. Now you can use anyone you can use, no problem at all. Okay, there is no difference between these 6. 6 are only same, right? Here there is no difference. Now anyone you can use. Now what is the processing statement? Processing statement means, suppose if there is a problem, for that you need to write the solution. That solution is called as processing statement. These are the statements. These are the statements, means code. Those explains you, those explains or describes. Describe means explain. Those describes. First one, what to do. What you have to do. What to do. Second thing, when to do. Third thing, how to do. In order to solve a problem, what you have to do, when you have to do, how you have to do. So this code will explain all these three things. Whatever you are writing here, it should explain these three things. So the statements, those are going to explain what to do, when to do, how to do, are called as processing statements. Clear? So in order to solve the problem. These are about the sample C program, right? In any C program, these three statements you have to write. Solution you have to write. Main method you have to write. Without main method, you cannot run the program. Hash include statement also you have to write, right? Now, my dear friends, note it down from here. Note down from sample C program. My dear friends,
సార్ స్క్రీన్ షాట్లు తీసుకుంటాం దానివల్ల టైం సేవ్ అవుతుంది.
Amma, I will send the material to you. Later, I will send. Okay, after 5 days. Okay, if you don't want to write at right time, okay, you can. First 5 days, it is demo classes, no, right? You better to note. I will send this material after 5 days. No problem at all.
Sir, how many days complete for C class
45 days.
program?
45 days, right?
45 days. Thank you, sir.
This program will be 45 days.
"45 days complete C language."
Yes,
Tutorial.
yes, sir. Modi ji.
Sir, next 5-day demo classes.
First 5 days demo class with including these 5 days also. Okay. Actually, it is not demo class. It is my first class. It is for demo class for you, not for me. It is the original class only. Okay.
సార్ ఓన్లీ సి లాంగ్వేజ్ సి ప్లస్ ప్లస్ ఓన్లీ సి లాంగ్వేజ్ ఒకటే చెప్తారు సార్ మీరు.
Okay. There are so many batches, Sandeep. If you want to learn C++, there will be a batch. Okay. No problem at all.
సార్ ఈ సెషన్ లో మనం ఓన్లీ సి లాంగ్వేజ్ గురించి డిస్కస్ చేస్తాం సార్.
Yes.
ఓకే సార్.
Thank you, ma. Thank
Sir,
you.
timing is 7 to 8 p.m. daily.
Yes. Only 7 to 8 p.m.
Sir, payment process.
Not audible, Modi. Ping a message. Whatever you want to ask me question, ping a message here.
Payment mode.
Payment mode, they gave no. This is the Google Pay phone number 9297972727. Okay. After paying one.
Sir, once more.
See this. Here it is the Google Pay number. See this.
Google Pay number.
Google Pay number 9297972727.
9297.
97
Huh?
2727.
2727.
Hmm.
9297.
I am copying. See here. I am copying here. So see this. 9297972727. Clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you,
Okay.
sir.
Okay, ma. My dear friends, can I scroll down?
No, sir. Sir, how many rupees payment?
1000 rupees. 1000 rupees. It is a special batch.
1000.
Okay, only 1000 you need to pay. Actually, 2000 rupees. Okay, they gave
Yes,
discount. Only 1000 rupees you need to pay for this batch only.
yes, sir. Till now, payment कब तक कर सकते?
For up to 4 days, right? Next 4
For
days.
2 days.
I think 4 days with video demo sessions. Okay. I don't read this. I have to read it. Actually, C language video demo classes find below link. Kindly make payment through net banking. Only authorized.
Yes, sir.
I also don't know up to when we need to pay. Only just 1000. No, okay. If you want to continue, you can pay now. It okay. Otherwise, you take 2 more demo classes. Then you pay more. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Next 2 days demo classes.
Every 5 days. Actually, 5 demo classes will be there, right? It is not demo class. Actually,
Yes,
it is
sir.
running.
5 days. Yes, sir. 5 days after.
Actually, it is the first class. It is not a demo class. Why we are calling demo class means first 5 classes without paying the money also you can listen. That's why we are calling as demo classes. But it is not, there is no demo class. It is regular class, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
tomorrow also you have to listen. Day
Surely, sir.
after tomorrow also you have to listen. So you have to listen up to 45 days.
Okay, sir.
Okay, okay. Thank you. Anybody is asking anything?
Okay. Is today session is completed, sir?
Amma?
Today's session completed, sir.
Okay, maybe. Actually, okay. 12 minutes, we have 12 minutes, no? Right, after completion of writing, I may take one more, okay, free small demo class. Wait a minute, don't leave the class, right? Sandeep,
Yes, sir.
Sandeep, wait a minute. Can I scroll up? My dear students?
Yes, sir.
Hmm. Abhay is asking, sir, is it possible to complete a full C language course in 45 days? Yes, it is possible, right?
sir, tomorrow even these links start classes.
Same link, right?
Same. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Same link. You have to attend to the class using the same link.
Yes. Thank you.
Is it completed, my dear friends?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. Just 8 minutes we have. So I am going to wind up this session for today, right? Tomorrow I will
Yes,
continue the class. Okay.
Thank you.
My dear friends, now you can ask your doubts. Do you have any doubt in today's class?
No, sir.
If you have any doubt, you can ask. Otherwise, we can leave. No problem at all.
Sir, అదే సార్ నేను అడిగా సార్ వాట్ ఈస్ ద డిఫరెన్స్ బిట్వీన్ వైట్ మెయిన్ అండ్
Sandeep, wait a minute. Sandeep, you can understand what is the difference between these 6 models at the time of functions topic. Okay, I will explain you at the time of functions topic. Right now, you cannot understand. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Nakul Patak, thank you, Nakul. Can I leave? My dear friends, can I leave?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Sandeep. Thank you.